The real weight of her guilt does not come from a loud argument or a long message explaining how much she hurt you. It comes from something deeper. It grows in the silence you leave behind. When you choose to go completely quiet, you are not just ending communication. You are removing the noise she uses to escape from her own thoughts and her own actions every single day. Most people think they must have the last word to win. They believe closure comes from talking more. But the strongest move is often saying nothing at all. When you refuse to give her that final talk or emotional explanation, you leave her with a space she cannot fill. That silence becomes heavy. It becomes uncomfortable, and slowly it starts to work on her mind in ways words never could. In most breakups, your reaction protects her from feeling guilty. If you argue, she focuses on your anger. If you beg, she focuses on your weakness. Either way, she avoids looking at herself. But when you disappear into silence, that protection is gone. There is nothing left to distract her. No noise, no conflict, just her thoughts. And in that quiet space, those thoughts begin to grow louder and harder to ignore. Guilt needs silence to grow. It cannot breathe in chaos or constant talking. When everything becomes quiet, her mind starts replaying the past. Moments she tried to forget come back again without your voice interrupting her thinking. She has no choice but to face it. She starts looking back. She starts questioning things, and slowly the truth becomes clearer than it ever was before in her life. Your silence creates pressure. It is like a slow build that never stops, because you are not there to explain or defend yourself. The past becomes stronger in her mind. She starts going over every moment, every choice, every action, and without your presence, she cannot twist the story anymore. She has to sit with her own thoughts, and that is far more powerful than anything you could ever say. At first, staying silent feels like losing. It feels weak. It feels like you are letting her walk away without knowing your side. But that is not true. Real power does not need to speak loudly. Real power is quiet. It is controlled. Choosing silence is not doing nothing. It is choosing discipline. It is choosing to protect your energy instead of giving it to someone who no longer values it. When you stop chasing, stop explaining, and stop trying to be understood, everything changes. You remove every distraction she had. You leave her alone with herself, and that is something she cannot escape from forever. Without your voice, she begins to see things differently. She starts remembering the good you gave, the patience, the calm, the effort, the things she once ignored. During the relationship, she saw your kindness as something normal, something that would always be there. She believed your support would never end, like it was guaranteed. But now that comfort is gone, and those same memories begin to feel different. They no longer bring peace. They bring questions. They make her realize what she had and how she handled it. Regret does not hit all at once. It builds slowly. It starts as small thoughts, maybe late at night, maybe during quiet moments. At first, she will try to fight it. She will tell herself she made the right choice. She will focus on your flaws. She will create reasons to feel okay. But those reasons do not last forever, because guilt is patient, and it always waits for silence to return. As time passes, the distractions fade. The excitement of moving on becomes normal. And that is when the silence you left behind starts doing its real work. She begins to compare. The new people in her life do not feel the same. Something feels missing. She starts to notice what you gave that others do not. And slowly she begins to understand your value in a way she never did before. The story she told herself starts to break. Without new arguments or new drama, she cannot keep blaming you. There is nothing left to hold on to, just the truth. And the truth is simple. She had something real, and she let it go. That realization does not come fast, but when it does, it stays. And it grows stronger over time with every quiet moment she experiences alone. There is a strange truth about breakups. The more you chase, the more you help them feel better. Your messages, your calls, your effort, all of it gives them comfort. It gives them control. It lets them avoid their own mistakes. But when you remove yourself completely, that comfort disappears, and suddenly they have nothing to hide behind anymore. Without your presence, the focus shifts. She is no longer looking at you. She is looking at herself. She remembers moments she ignored, times she was cold, times she chose her ego over the relationship. And now those memories feel heavier because you are no longer there to forgive them. They stay, they sit, and they slowly turn into regret that does not leave easily. Your silence becomes a message without words. It says you are done. It says you respect yourself enough to walk away. And that is what makes it powerful. You are no longer trying to fix things. You are no longer waiting. You are choosing yourself. And that shift is something she can feel even without hearing a single word from you at all. As the silence continues, she starts to understand the real loss. It is not just losing you, it is losing how you made her feel. The safety, the comfort, the support. She thought those things would always be there, but now they are gone. And that realization hits hard because she knows those things are not easy to find again. In the end, your silence is not about hurting her. It is about respecting yourself. It is about choosing peace over chaos. If she ever comes back, it will not be because of your words. It will be because of what she felt in your absence. But by then, you may no longer care because you did not stay silent for her. You did it for yourself.